Morro Bay today. Windy. It cleared out the skies definitely, but we do have an area of low pressure starting to nose into the west, giving us a chance of showers tomorrow. Less so for west-facing portions of the Central Coast, but inland and across the Santa Ynez Mountains and part of the South Coast, the old Thomas Fire Burn area, there are some opportunities. But again, I don't think it's a big deal. In fact, this rain we're talking about here, there are no evacuation warnings or concerns. Santa Barbara County has looked at it and issued a press release about it. But here it is. You can see this trough starting to dig into the west. In fact, to our north, it showers at upper elevations and some even higher elevation snow. Again, it's not particularly significant in terms of the amount. The system does not have a lot of moisture to work with, but the modeling is showing that down here on the south coast, we could see a few spots at the upper elevations getting perhaps as much as a ½ inch. I think we'll be shy of that. I think at the high sides, we're looking at probably a quarter for this system, but showers and the potential for thunderstorms. In a thunderstorm, in an isolated area, we could see locally more rainfall. We're only talking about afternoon, early evening, then all this activity ought to die down. Here's a look at it on the model. Again, some low cloud cover tonight, but this is 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Watch what happens once we heat the landmass up. Pop, you start to see all those showers and isolated thunderstorm potential develop. But then we'll go forward here, sunset, all that stuff just dies down. So this is definitely instability with cold air aloft. Once that kicks out, as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, especially Friday and Saturday, high pressure redevelops, winds go offshore, inland temperatures get back up into the mid 80s, potentially even 90 degrees. Okay, this was a news story today, all of that dust that blows around the Nipomo Mesa on windy days. Today is one of those days, so an air quality warning through 7 o'clock tonight. We don't have a wind advisory in San Luis Obispo County. We do have several for Santa Barbara County. Winds 20 to 30, gusts to 40 through 10 o'clock tonight for west-facing Santa Barbara County, south-facing Santa Barbara County. We have 15 to 25 mile-per-hour winds gusting to 40. That advisory through 3 a.m. Be on KSBY hashtag. Send us your pictures like Cecil Horton did today. Ice crystals aloft. You get a little sunshine through there. You get some prisming. And it basically is a circular rainbow or a halo around the sun today. Love that picture. Great one. So get yours along as well. The camera's shaking in the wind in San Luis Obispo. Temperatures across most of the area. Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo, a little shy of 60 degrees, mid-60s. Paso Robles. The Lompoc Center is not reporting right now, but also in the middle 50s. In Santa Barbara, 67. When we look at the winds, it's 15 to 25 miles per hour, but the gusts have been close to 40 all afternoon. And look where those gusts are. Mostly Santa Barbara County west face here. You can see why they have the advisory and San Luis Obispo doesn't, though San Luis is right on the edge of that. Hourly tomorrow, not as windy, but again, the daytime highs really take a hit because of all this instability with this cold upper level low swinging into the area. So here's the forecast. Middle 60s tomorrow, overnight lows tonight, mid to upper 40s, low 50s for the south coast. 68 Goleta and Carpinteria, 64 Cuyama tomorrow, 63 in Orchid. So again, much of the area you're looking at here, like Guadalupe, Nipomo, these folks probably only see a few cumulus clouds, likely not rainfall, but the interior valleys, places like San Miguel, Paso Robles, Creston, and parts of the south coast do have an opportunity for showers and even isolated thunderstorm potential there. Interesting to note that even though we have thunderstorm potential tomorrow, a big day in places like Kansas and Nebraska, already high alert there for what could be a first major outbreak of the season.
Yeah. Wow. Thanks, Dave. Let's turn it over to Jessica now for a look at what's coming up in sports. Hi.
Hi, guys. Coming up in sports, several student athletes on the Central